Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button and it's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening when you press it, and I recommend that you do, YouTube will notify you that I just uploaded a brand new video. This is something that I enjoy and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. Also in that same area is the thumbs up. I'm saying this a lot in all my videos at the beginning now, because you have to get into the habit, including myself, that when we go in to watch people that we enjoy, to take a second and do that thumbs up. It means a lot on the YouTube platform and it helps with the growth of a YouTuber. So take a second, right underneath the video there is a thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and then you are helping me with my growth on YouTube. So thank you. All right, today is a day that what I do is, and I try to do it in the plus because that's usually the bag that comes first. And I do my 5 add-ons, usually within the $3 section, so that I can create my own customized bag. And that's what I've been doing and I've been enjoying it. So what I did this time were the items that I chose. The first one is from Purlisse. It is their CC cream and it has the SPF 50. This also, when I see that there's promotional codes on the IPSY website, I make sure to take that information and I add it. It's a lot of work, but I still add it into the description box down below, so that if any of this interests you and you want to buy it directly from the manufacturer's site, there is a discount code there. So I wanted to make sure that if I choose it and I love it, that I can go back to my video and look in my description box and find that code there. So that's why I do it, and if I want it, I want to make sure that you guys would want it as well. All right, so that information, like I said, there will be a 20% discount, and I'll put all that information in the description box. So this one says, your morning beauty routine is about to get a whole lot simpler. This is a 4-in-1 CC cream. It moisturizes, color corrects, brightens, and protects your skin all at once. It's infused with super humectant, hydrating hyaluronic acid that is oil-free cream, which will moisturize your skin for all-day hydration. It is a sheer buildable tint. It evens out your complexion and disguises dark spots, redness, and breakouts while looking totally natural. 15% vitamin C helps brighten your tone and fade the look of hyperpigmentation for your skin that glows even when you're not wearing makeup. Thanks to the SPF 50, this CC cream makes getting your daily doses of sun protection so easy. Smooth it on your face before you head out in the morning to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. They're saying about the brand, this is a line of high-performance multitasking skincare, was created by the former Power Ranger villainess Jennifer Yen, and I think she's also responsible for Yensa, the product line Yensa, who channels her passion for time-tested. It's an Asian skincare ritual. It results-driven products that are safe for sensitive skin. The only other CC cream that I have used and enjoyed, and this came with a safety seal, I just took it off prior to filming because I'm not good with safety seals. So this one here, I'm gonna put on, and that's what it looks like here. And the only other CC cream that I have used and have enjoyed is from Causemetics, and also had the SPF 50. So this may be another alternative. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. The next item that we received is from Pureheals. Pureheals for me now has become something that I look for in the $3 section, because I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their products and I have been enjoying it. So every time I see an opportunity to try one of their products in that $3 section, I want to learn more and more about their line. And this is a toner. And this is for dull, dry, happens to all of us, but don't worry, this toner is here to get your complexion back on track. It has niacinamide, and it's a multitasking ingredient that your skin needs. It brightens, improves your texture, and balances the oil production all at once. This toner is packed with a soothing aloe vera and propolis extract to help keep redness and irritation to a minimum. A few quick sweeps remove any leftover makeup, oil, or any residue on your face. Will wash anything that you may have missed to ensure your skin and pores are ultra clean. And they're saying about this brand, it says, calling all green beauty lovers, Pureheals creates natural products with the powerhouse plants-based ingredients designed to heal and nourish the skin. They're saying to simply saturate a cotton round with a few drops of this toner and sweep it across your face to treat your skin like a cocktail of nourishing ingredients to prep it for the rest of your skincare. And there is no scent in this at all. So really excited to have the opportunity to try this. The next item that I chose is from Honey Jarret. And I've been very lucky. I got introduced to this brand through a sheet mask and I enjoyed it so much. And then I got really lucky that IPSY lost one of my parcels or something, and they couldn't get me the product that was supposed to be in there, and they told me they were going to send me something, and they ended up sending me a foundation in a compact which had the sponge and the liquid in it, and it was from this brand, and I fell in love with that foundation. So now whenever I have the opportunity, and I think in my IPSY Plus I even chose the masks again because I used the masks and I really enjoyed them a lot. So when I had the opportunity to choose something else from this brand, I did, and this is their cleanser. And there's also a discount code on this, which I will leave, like I said, in the description box down below. Also, all of my, if I get discounts from companies or you want to use any of my links, you just have to go further down because I put the newest information up on top, but I will always be adding in alphabetical order if I take on a brand or if I have discount links to any of the bags or boxes and you want to use them. They're all, you just have to go further down in the description box. This one here says, the perfect cleanser should do more than just cleanse, which is why the team at IPSY loves this multitasker. It gets your skin clean, soft, and bright. Plus it prevents breakouts and boosts your moisture levels too. It has a creamy lather that won't leave your skin feeling overly dry thanks to a dose of a moisture-rich honey extract. This black tea ferment, which is AKA kombucha, everyone's favorite healthy drink, helps eliminate pore clogging, dead skin cells, dirt, and oil to prevent breakouts and keep your skin clear. They're saying this Propolis extract is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredient you need to soothe redness and irritation. They're saying about the brand for skincare that gets you glowing inside and out, look no further than Honey Jarret. This is the new clean beauty brand's products that are formulated by dermatologists and are made up of a blend of delicately selected superfood ingredients. Science plus superfoods. Let's all sign up. And then they're saying just use it in the morning and the night, gently massage this cleanser onto your wet skin for a minute or two, and it will turn into a creamy foam, which is the newest thing that I find I'm really enjoying. Then rinse away with lukewarm water. I was never into foaming cleansers until I got the opportunity to try the Kylie one, and now whenever I have a choice to be able to choose a cleanser, I seem to be going for the foamy ones, and that's what that looks like here. Again, there's a safety seal on here. It has a bit of a rose scent to it, and their other product did too, the masks, but it's not overpowering, so I'm able to use them because I'm not a huge lover when the rose is such a strong scent. So like they said, it's a cleanser that will foam up, and like I said, the scent is really minor. It's nice, but it smells, you know why I like it? It doesn't smell like artificial roses. It smells like when you get roses on the long stems, you know, that's the smell. So that smells fantastic to me. I think it's the artificial one that for me I don't like. All right, the next one was one that I had to pick. It's something that I already own. So this has the product still inside of it, and I pulled this one from my stash. It is from Thrive Causemetics, and if you haven't had the opportunity to try this, this cost me $3, and I think this is a $20 value in the $3 section. And I really enjoy this so much that I said for $3 I had to grab another one. And it's in the same color that I got, and it's spelt G-H-I-Z-L-A-N, and they're saying it is a plum mauve. That's what it looks like here, and I will swatch mine for you. This one, it says that we've all seen those lip liners, but never one like this. It is a multitasking pencil, primes, lines, defines, plumps, all in one shot. It is the universal flattering plum mauve shade that looks super pretty alone, and when it's worn with your favorite matching lipstick, it's a combo of hydrating, plumping ingredients, minimize the appearance of your lips lines that gives your pout a plush, pillowing effect. Fading and feathering is a thing of the past. This long-wearing waterproof formula keeps your color on lock for flawless all-day wear. Not only is this a lip liner high-performing, it's cruelty-free and vegan too. And like I said, this is $20. About the brand, they're saying Thrive Causemetics is beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, they donate to help a woman thrive. To believe changing the world starts with a single ingredient, and that's why they are creating a vegan 100% cruelty-free formulas containing proven ingredients without the use of any parabens or sulfates. All their high-performance cosmetics are developed in their Thrive lab that is in Los Angeles. And they're saying outline the edge of your bare lips using the precision tip, then fill them in with this liner, and you will be able to go out with a plum lip color. And I've already told you guys a million times about that I usually fill in my whole lip majority of the time, simply because I like wearing glosses, and when the glosses fade away, you won't end up looking like, you know, years ago, every woman, when their lipstick wore off, you saw the outline of the lip liner. The biggest trick was to just line in your entire lip, and then when the gloss or the lipstick fades away, you're still left with your lip color looking like the liner lip. So really happy to get that. And then the last item that I got in my box, I had to. It is from Tatcha. And Tatcha, I got very lucky. I got introduced to this line from the QVC world, and she worked very closely with them. So we were getting these fantastic kits for, they weren't inexpensive. They were still 100 or a little over 100, but the value that you were getting to be able to try her products, they were all in larger sizes, and I got to try a lot of her line, and I fell in love with every single product that she came out with. It was really, really fantastic. And the Deep Cleanse was one of them. Another one that she had was a rice exfoliator, and she sold these as a pair, and it was really, really great. What I wanted was the container more than I wanted the product that was inside, because I have the larger container of this. Because when I want to travel, I want to be able to put the product in one of these. So this ended up being a product that I've already used and enjoyed. So normally I don't purchase that. I usually like to only purchase products to be new ones to me. But this one I wanted also for the container. So this is called the Deep Cleanse. And it says, from the holy grail of skincare products, this gentle daily cleanser will help your stressed skin, oily, uneven, textured, or large pores back on track. It is this oil-free gel formula lathers into a creamy foam, now you know where I'm going with this, to eliminate dirt, oil, and buildup without ever drying out your skin. This is 2 Japanese plant extracts, wild rose and leopard lily, are the real MVPs when it comes to tightening pores, balancing your oil production. Not only does it clean, it also gently exfoliates too. There are tiny fruit fibers which will help encourage your skin's regeneration, decongest your pores, and eliminate dulling dead skin cells to reveal your inner glow. About the brand, they're saying it is rooted in the classical Japanese beauty rituals. Tatcha remasters time-tested ingredients into clean formulas that are transformed inside and out. The results is at once a celebration of the timeless wonder of Japan and all their magic within. And they say simply squeeze a small amount of this cleanser into your wet palms, gently massage into the skin, avoid the eye area until it turns into a creamy foam. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. And this is such a treat, guys. And it also comes with a complete safety seal, which I already opened up a little bit, just so that I can show you guys a little bit of the product. I know it's silly sometimes to show a cleanser on a channel, but we'll see if I can get a little bit of it out here. But there's no scent to it at all. It is such a treat to be able to have this in this size. And as you can see here, I'll try to do it with no water, but you'll see it kind of foam up a little bit there. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to share all this with you guys. And I love being able to try products that are really from higher end brands in that $3 section. So for me, it's an absolute win. And like I said, this is me making my own customized bag for $15. That's what I try to do. And hopefully, if any of you have already tried any of these products and you have any tips or tricks that your own personal experience on them, please make sure to leave that in the comments down below. That's where we all share with each other. As you learn from me, I learn from you at the same time. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But you know, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well and we can enjoy. So I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.